So a lot of people might be afraid to show you the cameras on the Google Pixel tablet, but I am not. This is probably some of the best cameras I've seen on any tablet style device like this in a long time. So I wanted to go ahead and show them to you. It's very bright outside. Whew. Sun's out. It's beautiful. Look at this. It's crazy. This is good footage, man. The advantage to having a tablet like this with all these microphones you get such a big canvas. Now, pardon my squinting, but we are still under a heat advisory, over 100 degrees, and feels like 115. I think it is today. So heat index is bad. That's why I've been indoors a lot. Construction still going on. They put a neighborhood back here. It was inevitable, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, let's take a look at the cameras on here. I'll take some photos. I've got footage over several days, so this will be a mixture of all of that. So hope you enjoy the content. Again, this is the front camera. The front camera is a little bit better, I think, than the rear, because they knew you would do more video calls and things like that. So the rear camera is here though. So I'll show you the rear camera in this video with lots of photos and some content from the rear camera. So it's your man Jay. Enjoy the video and stay tuned for more content on the Google Pixel tablet. All right, guys, so this is a quick video sample for the Pixel tablet. This is the highest resolution it can do. I guess it's 1080p because I don't have any other settings for it. But this tablet isn't made, I guess, to shoot video outside, but I want to go ahead and show you something here. Just want to get out and do something different. You still have all the functionality and features like pause and, you know, recording the front video. It's all there. Front cameras are actually really good. Pause feature in full effect. Super windy out, so I'm curious how the microphones are going to do on here. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Not a very wide angle camera, but I'm also standing really close to the car, so I guess it's doing pretty good. This is one of my cars here. If you don't know, head over to my car channel. This is my 23 Cadillac Stagger 22s. Head over there and see everything else on the car channel. The link should be below, but this is about the Pixel tablet. What do you think about it? Think about this quality, handling the microphones and everything. The Pixel tablet has microphones on the side and two on the top. Two of them are at the top of the actual tablet because, you know, this is a tablet that you'll be using for, you won't be using it for something like this. You could though, look at this quality. I mean, look at how good this front camera is. You could use it for something like this. I don't think very many people would do this. I'll vlog with it if I need to just to get that big canvas out, but the Pixel Fold will take care of that. Anyway, this is the Pixel tablet's front camera, and I think this camera has the voice enhancements on. I can see the icon at the bottom, and this camera's and you know how it is out here. It's super windy outside, folks. It's always really windy where I live at, so I just want to come out in a different spot and shoot some video. We're under a heat advisory. It feels like 114. It's actually 106 degrees, but I'm in the shade, but it's still super humid out here. So I'm about to head back to the house. I wanted to show you the front camera and the rear camera and get a couple shots out here away from the house.